Hello everyone, I'm at the Starkey trail right now. As you can see, I'm going down the trail. It's on the left side and a little bit on the right side. It comes out of the Starkey Park, and we're about ready to cross the road and get on one of the connectors that takes us to Tarpon Springs, the Pinellas Trail. This trail was only put in a few months ago, and so I thought I would give you a view what it's like. It's a real pretty trail. It only has a couple road crossings, but beautiful place. Also, you get a bonus. I went through one of the preserves and really enjoyed that. That would make your little trip well worth it. I'm going to play some music, so sit back and enjoy. Wow, I'm running a mountain bike today, and that is a heck of a jump. Uh-oh, here's a snake. You see him? Go, snake, go! Little black snake. Oh, check this out. If you're walking, stay over here. The bikes stay over there. I like that. Even though it's not very crowded out here, I wonder if it ever gets crowded. Okay, check this out. This is Brooker Creek Preserve. And let's see, does it cost anything to go in here? There's trails, no pets, no dogs. And of course the vehicles are only allowed on the paved roads. Let's go check this out. Slow, animals in the road. A big snake. This is a really nice bike path, but there's also a nice wide bike path on the road over there. Might be nice for the weekends and early morning. I would ride it if I had to, but this path is real nice. I've been on some bad ones, but this one's nice. Hardly any crossings, stop signs. Okay folks, on the other side of the road is the Pinellas Trail. I actually had to cross it and cross the other highway to get to the Pinellas Trail. I went out and had a little lunch treat, and I enjoyed the ride and the trail. Hope to see you all out there. See ya. Had to stop here for a treat. I got 15 to go back. I deserve a treat.